Vehicle development is increasingly complex. More variants, tighter budgets, shorter timelines, demanding multi-attribute performance evaluation. What if you could significantly reduce costs and accelerate the whole process? Our new generation driving simulator enables our modern development approach. Costs drop by a third, prototype needs shrink by 75%, hundreds of configurations evaluated in days. Virtual validation replaces mule phases. Our simulator excels in handling. Its lightweight, high-rigidity cockpit delivers vibration response up to 150 Hz, integrating handling, ride, and NVH with realistic noise simulation. This enables the zero prototype vision, validating designs safely and repeatably before physical build. Following industry trends, our V-cycle methodology offers total flexibility, from virtual benchmarking and target setting to design, physical tuning, and a combination of virtual and physical validation. Our unique integrated methodology, refined over a decade, combines multi-body and NVH simulation techniques with upgraded hardware, lightweight cockpit, shakers, and real-time platform, delivering a proven development process, comfort and NVH prediction up to 150 Hz. Additionally, supporting ADAS and human factors activities. 10 years refining our methodology, more 100 professionals worldwide, delivering proven results from virtual concept to physical validation. Virtual development, real results.